his soulful renditions and his time as a finalist on The Voice of the Philippines. Ikaw na nga, and paano our love been mesmerized by one and the only Mr. Darrell! Magandang po sa inyo lahat. Hello, kamusta kayo lahat? Sana po sabihin niyo ako kumanta.